Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. What you're getting ready to see is how you can do your own floating ornament with your twist on it. If you would like to get a full detailed view on how to do this step by step, I need for you to comment below. As far as in the video, what you will see is how I started from the beginning and the ending reveal. So stay tuned. Before I go, make sure that you like, share, and comment on this video. Watch. Hey y'all, this is T-Mac, and you're probably thinking, what is this stuff that she got on this table? I thought the exact same thing. And I wanted to do a floating ornament. So everything that I got here is just straight from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is just get my alcohol and just spray the plate. I've never done this before, so I'm doing it with my family. I'm doing it with y'all. So the items that I have here is, of course, Christmas items. You can do whatever holiday that you want, but I chose to do Christmas because when I walked in the store, that was the first thing that was there. I'm going to use a metal wreath hanger. I just got it the same color as the plate. And I am going to, the tools that you will need, of course, scissors, a wire cutter, and a hot glue gun with plenty of hot glue sticks. So let's get started. So I am just going to hot glue it on there. Uh-oh, my stick needs to go in. There we go. So I'm gonna kind of be silent through this thing because I've never done this before and I'm gonna have to figure it out. But I can figure it out with my family. How about that? Just making sure that it's down real good. Make sure you have some type of protectant on your items. So let's see here. That's down. Wow, that's down pretty quick, quicker than I thought. Let's go ahead and tear some of these tags off. I think I kind of want to bail. I don't know if I want the bell to be on the, yeah. I'm just kind of arranging them around how I think I want it. Then I'll start gluing stuff down. There's a little nick right there, so we're just gonna try to hide that. I think I want the plates. Yes, I talk to myself. Who is the best person to answer? Did I get another? Who is the best person to answer? It's you. It's you. So let's get started. I don't know if that'll be, so I kind of know what I want to do now, but then afterwards at the end, I know I want that to be right there, so I'm gonna keep that right there. Let's do a hat. See, Mac, what you gonna do with that hat? Child, I don't even know, but we gonna see. We are definitely gonna see. Y'all might hear my chair moving around. That's because I'm moving around, looking for stuff. Uh-oh, am I forgetting another sack somewhere? Bows. Did you see that? So first, let me glue this hat onto this bow to the end of it, you see? I'm gonna just add some more glue to make it. Wherever I'm gonna put it at, it's gonna have to be firm. I wonder if we need to put something down in there. Just added the glue to there, and I am going to stick it to the bottom of the plate, just like that, and just hold it firm. Oh yeah, that glue is hot. Hold it to the plate. And let the fun begin. I'm just going around the edges with the hot glue gun to make sure that it sticks to what I need. I think that front is real pretty, so we're just going to use that as the front. Sticking, so we're just going to make sure they stick at the bottom. Just like that. There we go. There we go. This is hard plastic, so make sure you be very careful and not cut your hand trying to rip it open. Just get you some scissors. Getting a few out. And Okay, y'all, this is what I have so far. So I don't know if you can see it. I'm still trying to figure this thing out. So just work with me. Hey guys, this is T-Mac. I'm back to show you a final reveal of the floating ornament with my own spin on it. If you would like for me to do a full tutorial on how I achieve this look, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and we can go ahead and make that happen. Thank you for joining in with T-Mac Made It, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.